All right, so I'm asking you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have been enjoying my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Um, I've got this question here of which I'm expected to expand. Okay, so here I'm supposed to use Pascal's triangle. Okay, I know you may be wondering why using Pascal's. You can use binomial theorem or Pascal's triangle. But I've decided to use Pascal's triangle so that I show you that it's way easier to expand this. Looking at how the question is, I know you may think of doing something like this. Yeah, you multiply by this. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a lot of work for you. This is a lot of work for you. Okay. So, because you need to multiply by this, when you find the answer, come and multiply it by this, find the answer by this, and this may waste your time. That's why this gentleman here, Pascal, came up with a method on how we can be expanding these expressions with bigger powers. So the Pascal's triangle looks like this. I want you to see very careful. You see very careful and understand it. Once you understand, you'll be able to expand expressions with bigger powers. So you can move up to the power that you have, or more than this power, whichever power you have, for as long as you are forming this triangle. I guess you're able to see the triangle which is being formed. So the most important thing is how to come up with this triangle. So you can see you always start with the 1, 1, and then you put a 1, and then you add these two numbers which are in front, which are on top. 1 plus 1, you're getting a 2, and then write a 1 here. Next, you write a 1, you add these two numbers, 3. You add these, they give you 3. You write a 1. Next, 1, add this, they're giving you a 4. Add this, 6. There, a 4, you write a 1. Write a 1, always start with a 1. Add this, 5. Add a 10, a 5, and you write a 1. Okay, so now, where are we supposed to be ending? Looking at the expression that we've been given. It's right here. This is our main area, okay? Whenever you see the power that you've been given, it's right here next to a 1 and right here next to a 1. Pick that. You pick that row. It's the row that you need to work with. So this is a row that we need to work with. Let me write it here. We have 1, 4, 6, 4, and 1. This is a row that we are working with. It's not everything that you need to pick. You only pick one row that you need to work with. If it was power 3, I would have picked this one. If it's power 2, this one. Power 5, it's this one. So now, after identifying the row that you need to work with, which is this one, we now start writing. Okay? First, before we write, let me just give you an example of something that you need to know. Let's say you've got A plus B power n. So how is this going to expand? We're going to use a formula which is the coefficient here, n r, okay, n choose r, a power n minus r, b r. So you see how it is working. Here we have numbers from 0 up to the power, okay? So here it's 0, next it's 1, just like that, until you write the given power here. That's where you end. You get the first term, and then you get the power minus the r, n minus r. You get the second term, you write it, and then you get the r, put it there. So this is how it works. So let's try to apply this idea right here. So we have, what power do we have? It's a 4, okay? So that we understand nicely, let me just copy what we've been given. This is what we have been given. So like it is, we're trying to compare it to this. So we write the coefficient there. We have 4. R will always start with 0. You always start with what? 0. And then x, get there x, like we got a. We have 4 minus 0. We have 2y there. The power is 0, power 0. Like it is here, plus. This time around, we put a 4, maintain it, and a 1 here. From 0, it's 1. Okay. I guess we are moving together. We have x power 4 minus 1, like it is here. This minus this. So 4 minus 1, 2y power 1. Okay. Next, we shall have 4, 2 here. Here it's x, 4 minus 2, 2y power 2, plus here 4, 3, x 4 minus 3, 2y power 2, plus here 4, 4, x 4 minus 4. So this is where we need to end, because we have seen 4 and a 4. So we shall have 2y power 4. Okay. So now to work out this coefficient, what number do we have here? It's a 1. So this is the 1. From here, it's a 1. X, 4 minus 0, it's a 4. 2y power 0, it's a 1. We know that power, anything to the power 0, it's 1, except 0. So anything to the power 0, it's 1. Plus, here, the coefficient here is a 4. This 4 right here. So we're just following the order, it's 4. X, 4 minus 1, it's a 3. Okay? And then we have a 2y right here. Plus, we are now here, it's a 6. This coefficient is 6. So we have x, here 4 minus 2, it's a 2. 2 power 2, it's a 4. There 1, y power 2, it's a y power 2. Plus, where are we next? We are from here. We are now here. So this is a 4 as a coefficient. 4 x power 1 here. And then here we shall have, actually here it's supposed to be 3. It's supposed to be, because of 3, it's supposed to be 3. We shall have 8y power 3. And plus, here it's a 1 as a coefficient. It's a 1. So x power 0, this is 16y power 4. Okay. So now the next thing here would just be to clean up now. So here 1 times x power 4 times 1, it's x power 4. Plus 4 times 4x power 3 times 2y. It's 8x power 3y. Here we shall have 24 x squared y squared, plus here 32 x y power 3, plus here we shall have 16 y power 4. So this is our answer. Let me write it here so that we see nicely. So our final answer is x power 4 plus 8x power 3y plus 24 x squared y squared plus 32x y power 3 plus 16y power 4. Our solution right there. Thank you so much for watching. Please keep on watching my videos. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done so, and you can do your requests. I'll be able to do a video for you.